Hey y'all, Jamie Deen back in the kitchen, continuing my streak of never looking in the mirror before we start doing these. I never think about, should I check for a booger until Teresa hits the button, and now I'm in it. Today, we're doing one of my favorite flavor profiles ever, the BLT. The bacon, lettuce, and tomato sandwich has got to be in the top 4 of sandwiches. We're doing a BLT dip today. It's gonna be a hot, delicious dip, so let's get to it. Now you're gonna find everything that you need on the description or whatever we call this here on our page. You'll know what to do, but because you know, I'm horrible with measurements and things like that. So I'm gonna put 2 8-ounce packages of cream cheese in this large bowl. Because you know, every dip starts with cream cheese, and if it doesn't, it should. 2 8-ounce packages of cream cheese. Now this has got sour cream, real mayonnaise. It's got our tomatoes and our bacon, and spinach is gonna stand in for the lettuce today. We gotta get our greens in there. And so in this warm dip, that'll be perfect. Whoop. Okay, so half a cup of cream cheese, or 2 8-ounce packages of cream cheese.
Sour, oh yeah.
I'm just gonna eat that little bit of cream cheese. Half a cup of sour cream. Half a cup of mayonnaise. We've got our package of spinach that we've thawed out here. We have our shredded cheddar cheese, white cheddar. And we also
That's
have
actually Fontina.
Fontina cheese, nice, see? Getting fancy. And then here's our mozzarella cheese. So Fontana cheese, mozzarella cheese. Now I've got 1.5 cups of tomatoes that I've sliced up, that I've chopped up. And if y'all want to take the time, go ahead and salt and pepper those while you have them on your board. And that way you know that your tomatoes get that salt and that pepper seasoning on it that we like. So 1.5 cups of tomatoes. And now the star of the show, I've got some bacon that I'm gonna twist in here. And I'm gonna save some that I can garnish the top with. So look, doesn't that look good? Now that we have our spoon, if y'all want to, we can just eat this. Cheese and mayonnaise and tomatoes and bacon, my favorite. So once I get all this mixed up, y'all, we're gonna get it into this casserole dish that Teresa's got for me. Y'all let me mix this up. I'm gonna get it in this bowl. When we come back, it'll look prettier. We'll get it in the oven. Y'all get hungry. One little bonus that y'all don't know you get is when I come do these shows, what I cook here is usually a little bit different than what you might find on the .com. So what I've done today with my BLT dip, because I am a mama's son, I want tomatoes inside of this dip as well. And I also neglected to put in the Dijon mustard. So I've added the Dijon mustard. And now after I bake this, I'm gonna put some fresh tomatoes and our reserved bacon on top of this. But I just didn't wanna make this dip without some of those really nice tomatoes in there working. But look how good this dip, y'all. My goodness. And it should taste delicious. We've got 3 cheeses in there, spinach, bacon, tomatoes, Dijon mustard, mayonnaise, and sour cream. I'm gonna put this inside of this beautiful, perfect casserole dish. We're gonna cook it on 350 and let everything get nice and hot and bubbly. And then we're gonna garnish it with our fresh tomatoes and bacon. So, between now and then, let's figure out what we're gonna dip into here and make it good. I vote for white bread. See y'all in a minute. Okay, y'all, here we are. Look at our dip. Look how delicious that is. Now, I'm gonna put our little bit of fresh leftover tomatoes right here on top. We're gonna cover this with the rest of our bacon. Ooh, a Backfield BLT dip. What y'all think? Yeah. That looks good. And we got just about enough to feed an army too. As long as there's enough for one right now, I'm gonna try it. This might be a mistake. Y'all know I burn my face off every time I do this. No princess bites around here. Y'all, You need to get this Backfield BLT dip in your playbook today. Go football, go bacon. I'm Jamie Deen. This is Good Food. Thanks, y'all. See you around the kitchen.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.